the spark. Press it once to set off the Wi-Fi from the spark. Turn on the remote control and try to acquire the signal. Should acquire the signal, but it doesn't acquire the signal. So I've pressed the 3 buttons and it should acquire the signal. It kind of acquires the signal, but it's still beeping. So with the green light flashing, something is wrong with the controller already. So go to the DJI, first I go to the Wi-Fi, and the remote control is there, so I connect to the remote control. Connected. Internet may not be available. I still have the 4G on, that's no problem. I go to my DJI Go 4 app. Still beeping like crazy. DJI Go 4 app says go fly. That means it's connected to the RC. It just says connected, it doesn't say connected to the RC, but I guess it's connected to the RC. So I go fly, and it says latest firmware, calibrate the compass and all that. Maybe I need to do that, but there's no signal up there. It says no signal, and I don't get any image. Alright, so maybe some people have said it's the calibration. So I try to do some calibration, but before that, maybe let's look at the Wi-Fi. Alright, so I go over here. I go over here and look at the Wi-Fi. So I'm on channel, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm on channel 149 at 5.8G on auto, and it's a pretty strong signal. Channel 149, current channel, it's the strongest. There's some interference, 153, but I'm on 149. Alright, so maybe it's a calibration. So let's go to calibration, which is this one here. Remote control calibration. Power off the aircraft, then calibrate the remote controller. Okay, so I'm going to power off the aircraft. Aircraft is off. Remote controller calibration. Okay, remote controller calibration, and look at it, I'm not touching the remote control, but you can see the sticks are running all over the place. Tap calibrate and follow instructions. Calibrate. Center both control sticks, then press start to begin calibration. Okay. Stops beeping, but the control sticks, they're not moving. Well, I'm not moving the control sticks, but in the app they're moving all over the place. I'm trying to bring it up to where I'm supposed to bring it up to. Does not work. Does not respond at all. Just goes all over the place, and no matter what I do, how I try, I will not be able to complete this process. So I'm stuck. This thing does not work. Okay. So I just shut down everything. Close everything. Shut this damn thing down. That's it.